अपर सचिव श्रीमती संगीता गायरोला जी से हमारा अनुरोध है कि सभी के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करें।
ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर श्री मुकुल वासनिक जी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट श्री डी नेपोलियन, सेक्रेटरी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट श्री आचार्य, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट श्रीमती पूर्णिमा सिंह, distinguished guests, my colleagues from the Ministry and NISD, representatives of NGOs, members of civil society, and distinguished awardees of the Vayoshreshth Samman 2009. I feel privileged to propose the vote of thanks on this important occasion. Let me begin by expressing my gratitude to the Honorable Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment for his being with us today and giving away the awards. Starting with the walkathon at India Gate since the early morning, he has participated in numerous functions. I also thank the Honorable Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment for his encouraging and keen interest in issues relating to older persons. This program is also a manifestation of their desire to create an affirmative action and atmosphere in this direction. I also extend my thanks to the Secretary, Shri Acharya. His vision and guidance provides us the direction and confidence to go ahead. I would like to thank all the officials of the ministry led by the Joint Secretary Srimati Purnima Singh for their commitment and cooperation in making this event a great success, as well as to the officials of NISD who have worked hard to keep up with deadlines. As a nation, we have a grand tradition of honoring the elderly. The challenge is to maintain the old values in modern times and to change the traditional notions of aging. The response to the challenges of the care of elderly involves creative use of existing technology and innovative practices. NGOs have a crucial role to play in this. They need to pool in their expertise and experience in creating a conducive atmosphere in the country. The enthusiastic participation of NGO partners and civil society bodies in this function has been very encouraging, and I am very grateful for their enthusiastic support. I would also like to thank Srimati Vaswati Mishra and Sambhav Arts Group, who will be presenting a dance drama today in their uniquely beautiful manner. Pandit Birju Maharaj, who is a role model for us all, will also perform on this occasion. We are grateful to him, and I am sure that his presence today will be an inspiration to many others. Such events serve a great purpose of reminding us of the onerous responsibility of building an inclusive and caring India. We look forward to your cooperation and support in our endeavors. Finally, I'd like to thank everybody here, especially the awardees, for being with us on this occasion and adding to the grace of the day, of International Day of Older Persons. Thank you.
श्रीमती संगीता गायरोला का हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। सभी वयोश्रेष्ठ नागरिकों का पुनः अभिनंदन करते हुए कार्यक्रम के पहले चरण का हम यहां समापन करते हैं।